Every medical center needs to be innovative, needs to keep up with whatever the newest technology and service quality standards are. We certainly want the Stanford Medical Center to be the absolute gold standard. Our neighborhoods and our businesses here, people who work here, deserve that kind of quality. The flexibility needed to grow as needs change and as technology changes, we need to build that into the next medical center.
About a year ago, I found myself quite unexpectedly in the Stanford emergency room, and this was after I had a bike accident when I was just riding on the city streets in Palo Alto. A car pulled in front of me, I hit the car, fell off my bike, and quite to my surprise had 2 fractured vertebrae in my back. When the paramedics put me on a backboard and then loaded me into their truck, they asked me whether I wanted to come to Stanford Hospital. And I said, yes, Stanford. And it was just so inconceivable to me at that moment in time that I could be here in my hometown, 7 minutes away from Stanford Hospital, and would not have been able to be cared for here.
I do believe that Stanford needs a new hospital because we face many challenges, and one of them being space to accommodate all our patients. I'm very excited about our new hospital and the plan that's in place because I truly believe that it will continue to provide the best care as well as accommodating the space and resolving some of the daily challenges that we face in private rooms or bed issues or location for patients to transition to.
I am totally behind and in favor of the new Stanford Hospital project for 2 reasons. And they have to do with the plan to have every patient have a single room. I think that for the privacy and the peace of that for the patient as part of the healing process, it's absolutely a core value and essential. And the other reason is I gather that there's equipment that enables patients to be spared the indignity and the discomfort of being transported through the hospital in front of many people and taken to a lab where they get something done that takes 2 minutes. Having those activities happen in the room, I think it helps the healing process.
There's no way that you can improve facilities and improve services without some change in the pressures that are on the community. But I think that there is a way to compromise and not require a hospital whose business is medical care to be responsible for mitigating all of the pressures. By far, the benefits outweigh any of those pressures. It is incumbent on us as a community to support the improvement and expansion of this trauma center.
I think the hospital's been a great community partner. I think that the majority of people in Palo Alto, at least the people that I know, are so pleased to have Stanford here, to be able to utilize the resources of Stanford, to take advantage of the technology that the medical center has. I think it's a really important part of our community and what makes Palo Alto a very special place to live.